We have from our budget office, Camillo. Then we have, of course, from our MPDC, Engineer Levy. Of course, representing the assessor's office, we have Sir Dennis, we have of Madeline Lim. Then, of course, we have our MSWDO, Sir Mark. Then, also from the local civil register, we have Mr. Alroa. Also from our uniformed personnel, no, we have representatives from the Philippine Army. Also from the Philippine National Police, from the Bureau of Fire Protection, and the Philippine Coast Guard. Of course, we also have with us representatives from the 4 districts, school districts in Hilongos. No? So we have representatives from the East District, North District, South District, and HNBS. So later on this today, we will also be joined by our local chief. Napanay from LIECO. No, we have a representative from LIECO, Engineer Manata. So later on this today, we will be joined by members of our Sangguniang Bayan, and together with our local chief executive, no, they will be joining us to in formulating the plan for 2025 to 2028. So, dili na nato dugay-dugayon, no? I will introduce to you one of our speakers. He will give us a background and a brief orientation on what to expect and what.
Ako gibati diri, namurong na ako mga tuloy. Kita manggod ko sa inyo ang mga guwapo, guwapa. Ang ako buot pasabot, guwapa o guwapo mo, dili lang sexual personalidad. Kay Sharo kayo. Sa inyong pagka-humble, time-conscious, and seriousness of this activity. I have seen it when I entered this room.
PDRIN officer, Asasarbin, Adina Bonghi, Lorna Vanessa Villasin, Rafael Vincent Moni, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Natural hazards such as extreme weather conditions, wildfires, and earthquakes may be inevitable kung hindi nato malikayan. But disasters with loss of fire, loss of life, and high economic cost hindi nato na malikayan. This is why disaster risk reduction is important. It lowers the probability that a hazard and man-made event as disastrous. Consequences, all it takes is good planning. Ang inyong pag-anhikaroon, importante kayo ang magpahimo tao bago ng sab na DRRM management plan sa para sa maabot na itong mga katuligan. Naigiingon nga panuntiyon na if we fail to plan, we plan to fail. If hindi na makaplano sakto, nagkakatawahan ng mga sakripisyo, gabi na niya kita sa public service. Isalin ko ninyo ba sa itong mga resource speaker na mahihimo na ito nga maayong plano na mutubag sa upat kahaligi sa disaster, risk reduction, na mao ang mitigation, preparedness, response, and recovery. Together, let us make a good workable, efficient, and effective disaster risk and reduction plan for our municipality. Daghang salamat at angat kay Hilongos mo.
Before anything else, no, before we proceed with our next module, no, we will have a photo op with the mayor and together with the council members. So, unahon nato, no, ang
discussing about the cycle, the planning cycle, as well as paano siya ma-approve, no? What is the cycle of after crafting, after updating, asa natapadong, no? So mao na ang atong i-discuss karon. So we go to our DRM planning cycle. So, our DRM planning cycle, ayan. Para lang siyang DRM, medyo magulo. Para lang siyang DRM, magulo din ang ating slide. So anyway, let's just discuss further about this. So actually, ang planning, when we are going to craft our plan, we're going to draft our plan, it's like preparing for something.
Inputs.